Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So yeah, finally we got Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 with us. So guys, don't waste any more time and let's see what's inside. But first of all, let me show you the box itself. So guys, this is a box. Yeah, this nasty reflection. First of all, let me remove this plastic, then I will show you the box. Yeah, let me grab my trusty knife. So guys, this is the box as you see. So guys, here lots of information mentioned over here. As you see, it says large 5000 mAh battery and Snapdragon 636 full view display and lots of other things. By the way, this is a 3GB 32GB RAM variant. So let's do the unboxing and let's do the honors. So first, when we open the box, let me see. We got some paperwork, some manual, and IMEI sticker, and this Asus SIM ejector pin. And guys, please don't mind the background noise. The construction is going on in my neighbor, as I've told you in my last video. So please don't mind the background noises. It's a lot, I know. Let me remove the phone. Let me put it aside and let's see what else we got inside the box. It's focused. Okay, in the box, first of all, we got this charger, 5V 2A. I don't know you guys are able to see this rating or not. This is basically 5V 2A charger. And then after that, we got this micro USB cable. No USB type C, bad luck. And then we got this boom max box. Yeah, not a boom box. Okay, yeah, it has magnets, I guess. Yeah, it has magnets. The magnetic power is quite good. So now let's put these things aside and let's see the phone itself. This is the phone, guys. Looks quite good. As a first impression, I would say it looks quite good in this black color especially. Wow, let's turn it on. So guys, while it's booting, let me tell you the specification of this smartphone. By the way, so this smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 636 processor, which is also powered the Redmi Note 5 Pro, if you don't know that. So yeah, also this phone has 3GB of RAM and 32GB internal storage. And guys, battery is 5000 mAh, which is amazing, I would say that. Now, okay, let me set this smartphone quickly. As you see, this is how the display looks like. For the first impression, guys, I'm quite impressed. Okay, set up a fingerprint, add fingerprint with pattern. The fingerprint scanner seems little off to me, I don't know why. But let's set up it quickly and then I will tell you about this smartphone. Yeah, it's set up. Okay, I don't like the fingerprint scanner. Yeah, literally, I don't like the fingerprint scanner. It's quite slow. Wow, it took around 1 second to unlock it. It's very slow, I would say. Wow, the display looks quite good. So guys, this is the Asus Zenfone Max. Let me give you the physical overview. As you see on the back, it has two dual cameras. Basically, this primary camera is having 13 megapixel resolution with the aperture of f2.2 and secondary camera is 5 megapixel with the aperture of f2.4. yeah, and guys, below that we got this flash fingerprint scanner, Asus logo, some stickers, and basically this piece is built with metal and this part is built with plastic for that reception or the network thing, I guess. And yeah, now moving to the front, guys. On front, it has 8 megapixel camera over here, some sensors, earpiece, and I guess this is flash, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, on front it has a flash. This is a flash. And then after that we got this display, which is 5.99 inches, basically 6 inches of 1080p display with the resolution of 2160 by 1080p. Then after that we got this 3 software buttons, and I hate this chin, guys. Yeah, they are making this bezel-less phone this huge amount of chin, as you see. I don't like it. Now yeah, these are also my first impression, guys. I am totally impressed with this phone, but This phone seems pretty nice. Let me go to settings and system. Then yeah, we are on Android 8.1, which is quite good. What is this? Go to pay. It is some sort of paying application, I don't know. And let's go to storage and let's see how much storage we got out of the box. Okay, it's not showing. Yeah, 23.48 GB is available out of the box. Let me in a bit. As you see, 23.48 gigabytes is available out of the box. Seems pretty good for now. So yeah, let me go to camera and let's see. Let's take some pictures for that. Shutter speed quite okay, I would say. Not too slow, not too fast. By the way, this lighting is very good. I have set up a softbox on the top, but I don't know, the picture quality seems not that impressive as compared to my Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now as you see, let's take a front facing selfie. For a 8 megapixel, I would say it's quite good. Quite okay, I would say. Not very good, I would say, but it's okay. For 11,000 rupees, quite good. Let's see the combination of this SIM tray. As you see, we can insert 2 SIM cards and a dedicated micro SD card slot. Yeah, so these are my first impression, guys. I would say that. By the way, I will gonna test all the things on this phone and I will do a full review. I will do the camera review, gaming review and all the other reviews on this phone and some tests too. So if you want to see them and if you are interested to see some videos on this smartphone, then feel free to subscribe this channel and hit that like button if you like this video. So yeah, that's all in this video. By the way, if you want to buy this smartphone, I will leave a link in the description box below from Flipkart. You can purchase it. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. Bye.